It's my 2006 636. Currently got it on the stand. Just changing the front tire out. Tire that was on here was like from 2009. It was super bald. So I got a nice Michelin Power 6 tire on here. And while I was doing that, my new fairing kit came in. So I was like, I guess I'll just put the fairing kit on while I got on the stand and the tire off. Going all black and gold. Pretty nice kit. Pre-painted and everything. See how it fits. So I'm gonna start taking everything off of this. And yeah, I'll put you guys in a time lapse and get that done. Got the tank off. Wasn't too bad. Nothing leaks because it's got a fuel pump right here. Just disconnect that line, plug. Tank is out. Looks like a skeleton. Everything is off. Wasn't too bad. While I got everything off, I'm gonna replace this screen here because it's cracked. I got a new one. Then I'm gonna replace this cover. So got a little scratched up too. I should probably wash this whole thing while it's all apart. What else I gotta do? I gotta raise it up. Someone lowered it. Just undo these and raise it up right here. Yeah. Full tank. Got the tank off, drained all the fuel, took off the cap, took off the fuel pump. I peeled off the little sticker here. There's the pump. So now I'm gonna prep the whole thing and rattle can it black. Got the tank all prepped. Hanged it up here outside and I'm gonna hit it with some spray can. Kind of windy out here, but hopefully it'll turn out good. First coat is on. Second coat, I'm gonna use this. I think it'll be a little bit more glossy because this paint's not looking too good. A lot of orange peel and This side's a little better, but I'm gonna try this one for the second coat, and hopefully it'll give it a more glossy look. So I did 2 coats, but it's pretty orange peely. I don't know if I should do another coat or not, but I think I might do one more coat, and then hopefully I can wet sand and buff it out. Maybe look less orange peely, but I also had a mosquito fall on it. Yeah, it's super orange peely. I'll do one more coat and then let it dry. All right, that's the last coat on it. I'm gonna let it dry. Looks kind of matte. I don't know why it's not glossy. Kind of sucks. Ropa. Trash paint job. Whatever. If it looks really bad, I'll just get it professionally painted. But I do want to try to buff it and polish it, wet sand it first. But we'll let that dry. I'll do some other stuff on the bike for now. So I'm gonna remove this screen. It's just a cover. I bought a replacement right here. Looks pretty simple. There's just a couple screws on the back. Comes right off. Then I also got this brand new cover with the seal. Just replace that. And then I got new pegs. Mine are all bent up. So yeah, I'm gonna swap all that out. Then I gotta raise the bike a little bit because it's lowered. And then I'll get the wheel on, take it out, wash it, and put it back in and start putting the new fairings on. So I got the bike jacked up right now. I'm gonna raise these arms up. I think it's this bolt here, those two there, and then drop the arm down. And hopefully that'll raise it up a little bit in the front because somebody lowered this before me. So you loosen this Allen there, and you got 2 Allens here. Do the same thing on the other side. Then you could just kind of twist and move it. So I already moved it down. It was higher than this. You could see it was low. So I already moved it. I'm gonna keep it like this. You gotta adjust and make sure they're both the same height. So this one's gotta go down a little. You just pulling it down. There we go. Looks pretty close. And tighten everything back up. Lowering kit, raised back up. Got it back on the jack stand. Raised it up. I think this is what stock height is. Right to here. Everything looks pretty even. Tighten all the bolts. Should feel a lot better now. Not having to slouch so much. Cause somebody lowered this thing like an inch before me. So yeah, now I could start putting the wheel on, taking it out, and I'm gonna wash the whole thing and then put the new fairings on. Front wheel is on, everything is torqued. Now I'm gonna take it out, give it a nice wash. It's all washed and clean, ready to start putting on the new fairing kit. This whole lower piece right here is all painted gloss black. It's gonna look so sick. The old piece was just matte plastic. It's gonna look crazy. This kit fits pretty good. The only thing that takes forever is these little rubber grommets. Such a pain to install and remove. But other than that, the kit fits really well, like no complaints. Pretty impressed. So the bike is complete. Still got a couple little things I want to do, like these mirrors are different colors. Need to replace those. I need to add like all of the Kawasaki stickers and the 636 sticker. This fan kit didn't come with it. But yeah, other than that, I mean, the kit fits really good. Just a few minor things I had to do to get it to fit, but overall, I'd recommend this kit. It's made by King Motorcycle Fairings. It took a while to get here, and it is like a Chinese kit, but it fits pretty good. And I'd recommend it if you guys want to buy something similar. I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.